Sat in accident and emergency with his mum is 9-year-old Matthew.
I fell over and hit myself on the goalpost.
Ooh, off the post. That sounds painful. Let's find out more.
Matthew was in the playground with his whole class.
Sounds fun.
He was sliding.
Ooh, on a helter-skelter.
No, Xand, he was...
On a sledge in the snow.
No, Xand, he was...
On a giant water slide.
No, Xand, he was running really fast, fell over, and ended up sliding into a goalpost head first.
Ouch! It's over to Dr. Mary Ryan again to have a look at that head. You might want to look away now if you're squeamish.
What part of your head did you hit? Oh, the top bit. The look in your eyes, Matthew. So, do you think you can follow this light with your eyes?
Because Matthew had a knock on his head, Dr. Mary is using this test to check his brain is working correctly.
Excellent, good man. Right, Matthew, so you've not suffered any big ill effects from that, okay? And I think you're going to be absolutely fine. You do need to have a little bit of glue on this cut, okay? Because it's just a little bit open and there's a little bit of blood, all right? But it's only tiny, so we'll glue you back together and you'll be fine. Hang tight, I'll get someone into you, okay? Good.
Matthew kicks back while he waits for the nurse. Looks quite comfy.
Yeah, it's really comfy.
Don't go getting any ideas, Xand.
Oh, I was just saying.
Oh, hiya, Laura. Okay, I'm just going to glue your head, okay?
Matthew's not looking so sure.
Nurse Laura uses a special medical liquid to glue that gash.
Okay?
Yeah.
Is it hurting?
No.
All done. Shall we sit you up? You ready?
Yep.
With that cut closed, Matthew is all fixed up.
Where are you off to, fella?
Probably get a cookie or something.
A cookie?
I think you deserve it. Bye!